Hello everyone, welcome TrackHr. Today we will learn how to record new sales visit inside TrackHr. For that, first of all you have to open TrackHr. As soon as you open TrackHr, you will see two options on your screen. Add new lead and record visit. You just have to click on record visit. As you click on it, you will be shown a list of your clients. Wherever you visit daily, you are going to visit. You have to click on the name of that company or the name of that client. As soon as you click, you will get a ticket related to it. OK button and click on the three bars on the side of home and go to the ticket section. As soon as you go to the ticket section, the ticket will be shown there. You will click on it. And whatever information was related to the company and that client will be automatically provided to you here. What do you have to do now? Whatever location is mentioned inside it, you have to visit that location of the client. You can start this ticket only after visiting. You will reach the visit location and start that ticket. It will detect your location to start, whether you are at that location or not. Now, in the meantime, after starting, you can complete your visit. If they share any information or any document with you, then you can share it within this ticket so that your manager gets all the information. Whether you want to select a document or even click with the camera, you can share anything. Now you will complete your visit. As soon as your visit is complete, you have to end this ticket from the same location, and as soon as you end, an ending form will open in which you are given the option of remark. In the remark, you can mention all the things that you discussed with that client. When should you go for another visit? How many orders have you received? Anything you can mention here that you have taken an order for 20 pipes. This is when you have to make the call. When do you have to go for a visit again? Suppose 23 of Feb makes you want to visit again. And you will submit it. As soon as you submit this, it means that your visit is complete. Now the responsibility of this ticket will go to your manager. They will verify whether your visit was completely complete or not. After that, he will close this ticket task. But whatever was yours is completed here. Similarly, you visit 5 to 10 or 20 clients a day. You have to open that ticket by clicking on the name of each client and start and end them. If you go to their location, your simple steps will remain the same. Go to Record Visit and click on the client's name to open the ticket. After opening the ticket, go to the ticket section. From there you have to open that ticket and start it after reaching the location. With these basic steps you can record your sales visits. Thank you.